This Hobson Realtors property video is presented by Jennifer %20 and %20 Joel %20 Hobson. New white Carrara quartz countertops, sink and cooktop, along with new paint. Everybody loves Riverwood subdivision with its wonderful lake, gorgeous trees and walking trail. 20 by 15 workshop attached. 4-bedroom west/3 down including large primary bedroom west/hardwood floors. 4 THBR/bath upstairs. Spacious great room west/fireplace, separate. Dining room, renovated eat-in kitchen. Check out neighborhood website for lots of information about this great neighborhood, including courtesy security patrols. Ready to move in. For more information, review the details below or contact Jennifer %20 and %20 Joel %20 Hobson at 901-761-1622.